Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, trying to buy something but seeing payment failed. This can happen for several reasons. Usually it's related to your card or bank. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to fix payment failed message on Vinted. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, you should check the card details. Make sure the card number is fully correct. Check for any expiry date and CVV as well. You should also check for any available funds. Ensure you have enough balance. So for example, I'm just gonna go to Vinted.com, open on the website, then go log in using my email address and password. Then I'm gonna go to my profile, tap on settings. So I'm gonna go to my payments here. Then look for payment options, then look for my basically add card or my card details. Make sure everything is looking good. Check the date, check the CVV, check everything is looking fine. Then go to your bank basically app and enable online payments. Some banks block online transactions by default. You can enable it in your banking app or just call them to do so. You can also try another payment method by adding a different card using another supported option as well. As a last resort, you have to contact either your bank or the Vinted support because they are the only option at this point. As for a small pro tip, remove expired cards and re-add your payment method inside the Vinted app or the Vinted website to prevent any repeated failures. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.